Okay, welcome to Blender. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a plastic cup. So we're going to go ahead and delete the default cube, switch out the EV cycles. We'll go ahead and add in a plane, so S for scale for the plane. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and add in, you can do it with cylinder or you can do it with circle. We'll go with cylinder today. So let's go with G, bring this up. I'm going to go S for scale. And then we can go for edit mode. Selects the bottom face right here. You're going to want to scale this in just ever so slightly. E for extrude. And then what we can do is we can go with the top right here. E for extrude. S for scale, give it that nice little bevel. E for extrude, leave it where it is. And then we'll go E for extrude, bring this down. And you're going to want to get this vertices inside. So if we go into X-ray mode, it should look something like this. And then if we take the bottom right here, we can go with E for extrude, bring this down, S for scale, and then E for extrude again, S for scale, bring this in, and then kind of give it one of those little tucks at the bottom right here. And that is a cup in a nutshell. So, right click shade smooth, and then go to the materials, and then we can change this to whichever colour we like. You can turn up the metallic just a little bit and then turn down the roughness so you've got that nice little plastic shine. And then that is your cup that you can make. Little plastic cup. If you guys like this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.